Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep your sneakers looking fresh, SOL3 Crease Guards. If you're a sneaker enthusiast like me, you know how frustrating creases can be, especially on iconic shoes like the Air Jordan 3. Let's see if these are truly the best crease protectors out there. First off, SOL3 Crease Guards are designed specifically for sneakers like the Air Force 1, Jordans, and Dunks. They come in a pack of 2 pairs and are made from durable material to prevent creasing while maintaining the shoe's original shape. These guards boast a lightweight and flexible build, ensuring comfort while you wear your sneakers. They're easy to insert and fit snugly into most shoe sizes, offering protection where it matters most, right at the toe box. Now, what sets SOL3 apart? Unlike generic options, SOL3 Crease Guards are tailor-made for specific shoe models, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum coverage. This attention to detail is crucial for sneaker collectors who want to preserve both the aesthetic and resale value of their kicks. I've tested these guards extensively, and I can confidently say they do what they promise. Whether you're walking, running, or just chilling, they effectively reduce creasing without compromising comfort. So, are SOL3 Crease Guards worth it? Absolutely. For anyone serious about keeping their Jordan 3s and other sneakers in pristine condition, these are a must-have. They offer superior protection, comfort, and durability, all while maintaining the shoe's original appeal. If you're interested in picking up a pair of SOL3 Crease Guards for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.